भी आप लोग रखो, ओके। बस कोई देखेगा तो पहला देखेगा, फिर इतना पूरा पूरा नहीं देखेगा, because we have to put it on the link and NAC will see all that. So see that everybody is there, okay? At least in the beginning, if you have challenges. Yeah, start.
Yes. Yeah, let me know if the screen is visible.
No.
No, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Good morning, class. I hope I'm audible to everyone in the classroom.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, Haley, Sharmila, Nahida. Nahida is not there on my screen. Sabina.
Ma'am, I'm here only.
Yes, very good. Very good. Right. Shall we begin, Sharmila, Sabina, Nahida?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. At least if the network problem is there, respond. Okay. Fine. So I hope my screen is visible to everyone in the classroom, and I hope you all remember me because we had a big gap. So anyone, Fancy, can you tell me which subject I teach?
Ma'am, maths.
Very good, mathematics. And now today we are going to begin with the second term of our textbook. Okay. So here is something what I have to show you is the video. Let me know if the voice is also very much clear to you. Okay. Is it audible? What's
Yes,
the
ma'am.
voice? Very good. And you see what is there on my screen? I'm
You,
holding
ma'am.
in this
You,
video.
ma'am. You're holding some pippets.
I am holding some puppets. Do you all enjoy watching puppet show, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very good. So let's watch this video and then we'll discuss what was there in the video. So make sure you watch every bit of it, what is written, what is there on the screen, okay? Carefully view the video and then we are going to discuss every crunch of this video, okay?
Yes.
Good morning, class. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Why I see so much of silence in the class? Ratio, proportion, what happened? Nothing, ma'am. Ratio is always a crybaby. It is not like that. Ma'am, I'll tell you what happened. Don't. Why you want to take a fight to the ma'am? Let her teach. It is not like that proportion, but we need to know. Okay, proportion, that hurts. Yes, Reshu, you can share with me. We'll find out the solution. But yeah, before we begin, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Aishwarya Bharat Sawan, and I am a mathematics teacher. Hi, my name is Reshu, and I do the comparison of two quantities. Yesterday, I saw two of my friends fighting over a burger. I equally distributed the burger in the ratio 1:1. I am proportion. I am known for equality of ratios. People use me to establish equivalent ratio and find the unknown quantity. So, I am the greatest. No proportion. Without me, you are nothing. I am the greatest and the most important thing. Definitely, I am the greatest. No, you are not the greatest. Proportion, I am the most important, the greatest one. I am the greatest one. Why can't you understand? Two ratios makes me greater. No, proportion, you are wrong. Now I got your points. You are fighting just to prove your greatness. Let me tell you a story so that you will understand who is the greatest and who is not. But before that, I wish to ask the viewer that do they know the basics of all these things which they have studied in the previous grade? Which they have studied in the
Yes, students. Are these questions visible to you now? Did you all enjoy the video up till here? Haley,
Yes, ma'am.
Nahida,
Yes.
Sonia.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good, very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Yes. So now there's this first question. We'll go with the basics and then we'll watch the rest of the video. What I'm going to tell you a story about. So, what was the fraction in like up till here? Which fraction you have heard about in this video? What was the fraction in this video?
Ma'am, fraction is something how much quantity we are taking into consideration out of total amount of the partition.
Very good, very good. And then ratio gave an example. Do you all remember that example? Sharmila, do you remember the example which ratio gave while his introduction? Yes, Sabina. Very good, Sabina. It was a burger example. And how was the burger equal? How was the burger being distributed? Yes, Nahida.
Equally, ma'am.
Very good. The burger was equally distributed. So how the ratio or how the fraction becomes here if it was equally being distributed? Yes, Pavitra. 1:1. Very good, Sabina. Sabina is giving quick answers. Sharmila, Pavitra. I think Pavitra has entered because of network issue. But yeah, Pavitra, we were discussing about these terms, fraction up till now, and then there were two puppets. Don't worry, you have not missed a lot because we still have another part, second half part of this video to be watched. Okay, let's go ahead. So these were some of the terms, students. First term was ratio. Okay, can anyone give me the definition of ratio? What you have understood from that video? Yes, Sabina, I'm expecting answer from you, Felsi. Anything, what you have understood from that video? Yes, Nahida, tell me.
And they have divided the burger into two equal half, means the ratio will be 1:1.
Very good. So how will you define ratio? How will you define ratio? If the burger was divided into 1:1, and how will you divide ratio? Or sorry, define ratio? Anoop?
Something which we distributed in different parts.
Very good. So now there are comparison. Yes, Anoop, tell me.
Yes, ma'am, it is basically comparison between two quantities, like total the distribution amount among the total number of amount.
Very good, very good. If I have to express something, now Anoop is saying, I'll repeat what he said. So Anoop is saying that the two quantities would be compared here. So if I name one quantity as A, the other as B. So how will I write the ratio, Pavitra? How will I write the ratio here? If one quantity
A
is
upon
A,
B.
B. Very good, Pavitra. A upon B. Yes, Naida, I'll come to you. Don't worry. So the definition says here a ratio is a comparison of two quantities and it has been expressed in A is to B. This is what Anoop and Pavitra helped me to come up with. Now we'll solve one example, okay, and then we'll go ahead. This is the example. Haley, please can you read the question for me?
Yes. Pep- Pepper has 3 hats and 2 scarves. Find the ratio of hats to scarves and the scarves to hats.
Very good. Yes.
The ratio of hats to scarves.
Now we'll move to solution. Yes, thank you very much, Haley. Felsi, you are there with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Felsi. What would be the ratio of hats to scarves?
3:2.
3:2. Correct. There were 3 hats and 2 scarves. So the ratio now became 3:2. Now there are 3 ways. You can write 3 to 2, 3:2. There is that colon or 3 divided 2. the same thing what we have studied in the previous grade about fractions. You can write 3/2. Yes. Now the next student, Nahida. Yes, Nahida, you wanted to answer. Please answer this. The ratio of
Yes,
scarves
ma'am.
to hats. What would be the answer? The ratio of scarves to hats. Yes, only
Ma'am,
Nahida is
2
there
is
on
to
my screen. It would be
2:3.
very good. It would be 2:3. Don't hesitate. Give your answer. Even if you are wrong, Nahida, we all are learning in this. Okay. So the
Yes,
answer
ma'am.
is 2:3. Or you can write 2/3 or 2/3. There are different ways of writing. No answer is right, wrong. You have to attempt, student. So this was question number 1. Have everyone understood? Pavitra, Sabina, Felsi. Why Felsi is so
Yes, ma'am.
quiet today? Felsi, you are understanding, no, bacha?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So the next part is on you, huh? The next part after ratio, which is the next puppet which we have seen in the video, Felsi.
Proportion.
Proportion. Very good. So we are going to study about proportion. Now, Felsi, tell me what was proportion in that video, or what you have understood about proportion.
It is a comparison
Very good. Yes, comparison between you and me.
between the
Yeah.
between the numbers or the
So if it is comparing between numbers, then it is a ratio, right? What Anup has said. It is a comparison between. Anup, you wish to help? Felsi?
Yes, yes. It is comparison between two ratios.
Two ratios. Very good. Can we have an example here, students? Comparison between two ratios. Or let's take one example of a ratio, then we'll move to the proportion one. Give me one comparison example which you can see around us. Yes, Nahida?
Ma'am, which is been displayed on the screen is A by B is equals to C by D.
Yeah, but then that's the notation. No, I need one example. Take any example around you and tell me where we have used ratio and proportion in our example. Papa. Yes, one
Ma'am,
live
proportion
example.
proportion of coffee and tea in our glass.
Very good. Proportion of coffee and tea. Is it? You mix coffee and tea and you drink?
Nimbu pani, ma'am. Nimbu pani.
Nimbu pani. You can have one proportion of lemon and the lemonade. Are you understanding? Lemon and the lemonade. The comparison. So this is what is ratio. How will you compare this lemon and lemonade with the other example? What is the other thing what you put in the lemonade?
Salt,
Salt, ma'am.
Salt, sugar. So
sugar.
again, you will have one more ratio. Salt and sugar, you are comparing how much lemon you have squeezed and how much sugar you have put down. So that is proportion. Is it clear to everyone? Can I see some raise hand in the classroom that you have very much understood what is proportion, what is ratio? Amazing, amazing. Only Anup is there on my screen. Where is Haley, Nahida, Pavitra, Sabina, Kelsey?
Ma'am, we are here only.
Yes, very good, very good. Fine. Shall we go ahead now? So how will I define, as Felsi and Anup said, that it is comparison between two quantities. I'll just zoom it out so you will understand. It is now here the equality of two ratios. And this is how in this we have four terms. From that four terms, you will find the unknown quantity. What is this? We'll see one example. Have a look. Yes. Sharmila. Sharmila, you are there with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Sharmila?
Yes, ma'am.
Sharmila isn't there?
Yes, ma'am.
Kelsey, will you please check if Sharmila is there in the class?
Yes, ma'am. She is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
she
Here.
is
ma'am.
there.
She's
She is
answering
speaking.
also.
Hello? Am I audible, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe
Yes,
my
ma'am.
name.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Yes, Sharmila. Very good. Please read the question for me.
In the
You want me to zoom it out for you,
yes, ma'am.
Sharmila? Yes. Is it visible now to you? No? It is not clearly visible, students. Felsi,
No,
Haley.
ma'am, it's little breaked and very blurred.
The font
Okay,
Yeah,
no.
color,
now
it
it's
is not visible because of font color, ma'am.
Okay, okay, no worries, no worries. What I'll do is I'll repeat it for you. Okay? Will that be fine if I read the question, Pavitra?
Yes,
Yes?
ma'am.
So listen to it very carefully. It is one of the interesting question. I have to make one recipe for all of you. It's a cake. Today we are going to make a cake. In that cake, I am going to put 3 cup of flour. How much, Pavitra?
3 cup.
So for 3
3
cup
cup
of
of flour.
flour, very good, Pavitra. 3 cup of flour. How much water I am going to put up?
1.
1 cup, 3 cup of flour. 1 cup 3. 1 cup. Now there are more students. There are students from other group as well who came. Now I need to double the quantity, right? Now I have taken 6 cup of flour. 6 cup of flour. Now what would be the cup of water I am going to put? I know you all have got the answer, but let's go step by step. Okay. So the first question now, I hope that is the red part visible to everyone? Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Anup is
Yes.
nodding. Yes. Yeah. So Anu, please go ahead with the first line. What is there in the first line?
In the recipe, the ratio of flour to water is.
Very good. So the ratio of flour to water, what was the ratio? Kelsey?
3:1.
Very good. The ratio was 3:1. Now, when I have used 6 times, again, when I'm going to double the quantity, still the ratio needs to be how much, Pavitra? To follow the recipe, Sean's flour to water ratio must be again. For the second case also, what is the ratio expected, Pavitra?
2.
6:2.
6:2 or 3.
3:1.
I can't
Yes.
hear
Am
her.
I audible clearly,
6 is to
Sabina? You are
2.
there. Very
Yes,
good.
6.
So then I'm going to compare this 1 cup of water to 3 cup of flour, X cup of water to 6 cup of flour. So finally, when you solve this, you will get the answer. What is the answer? Sharmila, Sabina, Kelly and Anup has just mentioned the answer. What is the answer? How much cup of water do I require? Yes, Anup?
2 cups of water, ma'am.
2
2
cups of
cups.
water. Okay, now this was a simple one. What if I have to make the quantity half now? Everyone ran away because Aishwarya Miss is going to make the cake. So I
Can't hear her. Ashwini, are you there?
ma'am, are you there?
yes, I am there. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'll repeat the question. See, now what I have did is, since there are less number of people, I made the quantity half. Earlier I was using 3 cup of flour. Now I'm making the quantity half. So what is half of 3?
1.5.
1.5.
1.5. Naida is yawning. Naida, you want to watch the video again, I suppose. Yes, Naida?
No, ma'am.
Aishwarya, are you there?
Ma'am, are you there?
Yes, how much water will I put, students? Please bear with me. There's some network issue at my end, but I hope you will stay with me. Yes.
Ma'am, is it half cup of water?
Very good, Haley. It is half cup of water. So you should be knowing all this proportion concept. Okay. Chalo, let's come out of the yawning thing and watch the video again. Let's complete the story. Okay. The differences. Now, what the teacher was supposed to do to resolve the fights? Sabina, what the teacher was supposed to do to resolve the fight? Ratio and proportion were fighting, right, for something. What the teacher would be doing here now to resolve their fight? Anyone remembers? I forgot video which was just been played.
To tell
Yes,
them a story.
very good, Felsi. So now teacher is going to tell them the story. So please pay attention to that story. I'll just go ahead.
Do they know? Do they know the basics of all these things which they have studied in the previous
Ma'am,
grade?
Me, Haley.
voice was echoing, no problem.
Okay, okay. I'll just mute myself. Okay.
Hey man, story time. I know you are very excited for the story. So listen to it very carefully and make a mental note of it. In a village, there were two farmers, Abhay and Nirbhay. They grew up together, did farming together, owned big lands, and now, as they have grew old, Abhay wanted to share his land to two of his sons, but he wants to give the double to his elder son, then to his younger son. Tell me what we will do in this scenario?
Yes, Pavitra, can you tell me what Abhay will do in this scenario before the ratio answers? Nahida, now I hope you have stopped yawning. Yes, Nahida, tell me the answer.
Ma'am, they will find out the proportion, how much they have to give to the son, to the son.
They said no, it would be double to the elder one and one, like double to the elder one compared
And
to the
half
younger one.
to the
Very good. It is half. Let us see what ratio answers.
The land is simply divided in three parts and made 2:1. Amazing ratio. I was expecting this answer to be very quick from your side. And now, Abhay's friend Nirbhay saw the entire scenario and even he wants to distribute his land among his two sons. But the crossover is Nirbhay has almost double the land of Abhay. Double the land to his hardworking son, then the lazy son. I mean, what we will do in this case? What?
Yes, Chelsea. Now tell me what will the Nirbhay case would be? Nirbhay case would be Nirbhay has double the land that of Abhay. So now what will be the ratio? Yes. In the Abhay case, the ratio was 1:2. And now Nirbhay has double the land. So what will be the division here? What will be the ratio here? Sabina, Pavitra.
2:4.
Yes, Sabina, please be loud and clear for me.
2:4.
2:4. So he will give fourth part of the land to his lazy son and 2 parts to his hardworking son. Is it fair? How would be the ratio?
Ma'am, 2 is to 1.
1:2. 1:2. That means that it would be 1 part to the elder son, 1 part to the younger son, 2 parts to the elder son. So yes, Sabina, you were correct. 2 part to the lazy son and 4 parts to the hardworking son. Let's see. I think the video has got the
I know
other.
you're looking at me only. Ma'am, I'll tell you. Thereby, actually distribute his land among his son in the ratio 4:2. Amazing proportion. So did you all see what happened just now? So shake your hands together, and this is the way you're going to help the entire village. What do we conclude from this ratio and proportion?
Yes, Sharmila, what you have concluded till here? Who is the greatest? Is ratio greatest or proportion greatest? Who is the greatest? There's noise. Sharmila?
Yes.
Tell me who is the greatest. You can even mute yourself and write your answer in the chat box. Not a problem. Who is the greatest, proportion or ratio? Students, just like Sharmila, please put up your answers in the chat box. Let's see. Who is the greatest, ratio or proportion? Who is the greatest? Anu, Heli, put down in the chat box. Let's accompany Sharmila with the chat box answer. Put down. Yes. Proportion. Sharmila is saying proportion is greater. What about Haley, Anup, Nahida, Pavitra, Sabina? Who is the greatest among ratio and proportion?
Proportion.
Proportion is greater is what Sabina has to say. What about Haley? What about Anup, Pavitra? Proportion. Let's go 2 minutes behind. See, 2 seconds behind the video.
Amazing proportion. So did you all see what happened just now? So shake your hands together, and this is the way you're going to help the entire village.
Why she was telling to shake the hands together, and this is the way you are going to help the society.
Both
Yes,
are
Lily?
equal.
Yes, both are equally important. Nobody is greater, nobody is superior or inferior here. Both are equally important.
What
Let's
do we
go ahead. Let's
conclude
complete
from
this.
this ratio and proportion? We are equally valuable to the society. If ratio is not there, proportion is not there. And if proportion is not there, even I am not there, ma'am. Absolutely correct ratio and proportion. I hope now you have understood that there is no such superiority between ratio and proportion. We are equally important to each other. Also, to my amazing viewers, if you have understood ratio, proportion, and their unity, please answer these questions. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.
So I hope now it is very much clear about ratio, proportion, and the unity. There's no difference. There's unity between them. Is it clear? Can I see some raised hand in the classroom? Neither 8 hours of sleep is very much important. Yes, very good, very good. Let's solve one worksheet and then we'll come up to the end of this lecture, okay? Can you all see this link, students? I'll put down this link again in the chat box. Click on that link, give this worksheet, and we are done for today, okay? Let me know if it is working for everyone. Is it working, students?
Yes, ma'am, it is.
Is the link working with for everyone? Haley, Sabina, Anup.
Yes.
Yes, it's working. Don't worry. It's working.
Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yeah, go ahead. Please solve it for me. Mummy, charge me.
I'm unable to type in it.
Students, if you are facing any difficulty in that sheet, please let me know. I want everyone to participate. Huh?
Done, ma'am.
Anup, you are done?
Yes.
Very good, Anup. What is the score? Where did you lag? Is there any doubt you wish to ask, Anup? Naida, Felsi, are you all done?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Very good,
Yes,
AD.
ma'am.
Did you all find any difficulty in the worksheet? Was it easy to solve? Yes, kids, am I audible to you all?
Yes, ma'am, it was easy and we were able to do it.
Okay, very good, Heli. Thank you very much for the feedback. And don't worry, in the next session, we are going to watch some more cases, animated cases, so you will be able to even answer the application part. Okay? So we'll have more such examples in the next session as well. Yes,
Ma'am,
Sharmila.
I get two wrong. I don't know why.
Yes, tell me what happened.
Ma'am, in the second question, it is 2 cups and the other glasses are there. So I have write the ratio of 2:8.
Please pardon what you said. Repeat what you
Ma'am,
said, Sharmila.
ma'am, in the second question, 2 cups are there and 8 glasses are there.
Correct.
So I
Then,
have written the ratio of 2:8, but it's showing wrong.
why is it showing wrong? Sharmila, Neheli, can you just help Nahida? Why is it showing wrong? Why 2:8 is wrong?
Ma'am, even I got the same question wrong.
So why is it wrong? If it is wrong, why is it wrong? Why 2:8 is wrong?
Ma'am, is that we have to write the bigger number up and the smaller number down?
No, it is not like that. Since it is given, right? You have to write cup is to glass ratio, but still it is wrong. 2:8 is not the answer. What is the answer?
1:4.
Yes, Pavitra?
1:4. We have to write in divide. 1:4.
1:4, right? What she did here, what Pavitra did here, Pavitra, what you did with 2:8 became 1:4.
Ma'am, she took the common one as a single substitute.
Exactly. Something which was common term was being cancelled out. So your 2 was common, 2 was being cancelled out, and hence is the answer.
It was further divided, ma'am. It means that.
Yes. That's the same thing what Pavitra and Nahida said. So 2 was common, 2 was being divided from numerator as well as denominator.
So, ma'am, it is the same for the fourth question also.
Fourth question. Let me just check. Yeah, the fourth question.
There also I have get the wrong.
So students, make sure that you cancel out the common term, but don't worry. We will have more some example, more some fun in the next coming sessions as well related to ratio and proportion. Okay. So if you have got them wrong, understand why they are wrong, and then the next part is to evaluate yourself. Okay. So for the next session, when we are meeting, students, I want you all to solve this homework for me. So just take a screenshot, and the next time we will meet with the animated part of this chapter. Okay. Take a screenshot. And as you all are done, please raise your hand so I'll understand.
Ma'am, the screen is blurred.
The screen is blurred. Okay, no worries, Sharmila. What I do is I'll take the screenshot and put down in the WhatsApp group. Okay, will that be fine?
Yes, ma'am, no problem.
Very good. Sure. So thank you very much, class. Please make sure that you remember ratio and proportion. I hope you will remember the ratio proportion perfect. And in the next class, we'll watch some animated stuff. Okay. Thank you very much for the cooperation. See you all in the
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Okay, good going. Very nice. You will be evaluated. Like I have made this evaluation sheet. I'll just present it.
Yes, ma'am.
You will be evaluated on these things. So now you tell me about Aishwarya. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Only one question I'll ask Aishwarya. Why did you make that video for the puppet?
Yes, ma'am. Puppet video.
Hmm.
Ma'am, just to avoid the network thing, because I hope you all understood that there is a network issue at my end. So that's the reason, just to go very smooth with the puppet thing, I made the video.
See, one thing is a very nice resource. This can be used by someone else. That's nice. I'm not opposing it. But even you can, live also, you could have put it in two of your hands and spoken. Did you understand? Like the puppets are in your hand and you're showing them there like a live lesson. How we do face to face. But interaction,
Okay.
yes, tell me. What else? What people? What you want to say? It's just as I'm not saying very good resource, but you can also teach that way. Okay.
Sure,
Yeah,
sure,
now
ma'am.
just
I
tell
was
Aishwarya on
just
this.
prepared for the worst scenario. So if network thing goes out and story is not conveyed, then it would be a problem. That's the reason I made a video to be at the same time.
No, no problem. There's nothing. I'm just asking you. It is a good idea. In fact, this video, everybody can use it. Somebody else wants, they can use it. So a resource has been made with efforts. It requires efforts, not easy. I'm asking you and giving you also a suggestion. Can be done? That's much. Okay, no problem. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Aishwarya has uses set induction method criteria, and it is very.
Set induction method kya?
She has connected the old knowledge. On basis of that, she has developed the new knowledge.
Okay, so set induction criteria nahi. Set induction means introduction of the lesson.
Okay.
Set induction means introduction of the lesson. जो elicit करते हैं ना आप लोग, you all write elicit.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then how was the lesson developed?
Ma'am, it was developed through the curiosity with the help of story method. So, like, if the students were like at some point of time, she stopped the video. So, eventually, we developed a curiosity. Now, what is the next thing? So, we tried brainstorming ourselves to come to the conclusion, and we tried giving the solution to it. So, we come to know whether we are right or wrong. So, that even inculcated our thinking powers also.
And how were the puppets? Who made the puppets, Aishwarya?
You are on mute, Aishwarya.
Yes, yes, ma'am. They are just beside me, ma'am.
Yeah?
The paper puppets, ma'am.
Yeah. Very beautifully made. Very nice. They're very attractive and colorful, right? It was not just kuch to bhi. Nicely made.
Ma'am, even the way she used, maybe she made the video prior, but the voice modulation that she used in Puppet also showed that two different characters are actually speaking and there was no similar voice. So it was a really great effort by Aishwarya that she did.
Yes, great. Really, learning aids में technology she used well. She integrated well. Method also, there's a lot of interaction, questioning. You all were participating. She gave you activities. See one point and discuss. There's only a Heli or what in the class? Chalo, Naida and Heli only. Where is Sharmila, Pavitra, Anoop? Batao, Sabina. What about student involvement, Sabina?
Yes, ma'am. She picked out the names very clearly, and people were responding also.
Yes. Who was not participating or quiet, she was taking their names and trying and building rapport. So did she involve all the students in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Even when I'm yawning, she was focusing that someone is yawning.
Okay, yes, I heard that. And how was the fluency in communication? How was she communicating?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
Anu?
Clear.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. She was good in the communication as well as confident, and she precisely giving the formative questions so that we can develop our knowledge. and we are like she is facilitating us to reconstruct our knowledge. Like she extracted our things, like what are the ratio proportion to be added, making the floor and the water. So we were easily understood the concept.
And how was she communicating?
Yes, ma'am. She was good in communication. Like she
Ma'am, she was
used.
constantly appreciating the ones who were answering, so it was a motivation to us also to answer whether we were right or wrong.
And how was she talking? Was she talking to kids, adults, or what? How was her interaction?
Yes, ma'am. She was like
Was
a
she humble? Was she considering
child-centered
you as
language.
children?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Like how you talk with children. That was also good. We spoke closure. How did she sum up a lesson? In our lesson plan, we say that is the after evaluate. We say that last stage. What to say? Extend. How was she doing that? Elaboration, extension, that closure. How did she do? Did she
Ma'am,
connect it with something? Did she connect it
yes.
with life? Did she connect it with? Yes, answer. You must think in all these lines. Now,
Ma'am,
every day you will think on these lines and discuss.
Ma'am, she gave the values of equal importance also that society actually needs, and it was a value rendering this thing also. Even though it was the example of ratio proportion, but eventually student gain the value of having equal importance around us in the society, even if you are dealing with some of the other thing.
Yeah, but I feel there we can be a little more specific with our examples. Or you can talk about poverty and you can talk about the resources. Or you can talk why population and poverty and these kind of things. So what is the ratio? What happens? Due to that, how it is. So you can give that values of small family norms as it is in our NPE 1986. When we are talking about that, we can also inculcate that value core element there. So be a little more specific and try to develop that value so that the attitude aspect of the students, the heart aspect can be taken into consideration. Right? Aishwarya,
Yes, ma'am. Correct. Noted down.
a little bit more discussion there. And then what did she do for assessment and evaluation?
And for evaluation, she uses the live worksheet and asks
Yes, live worksheet.
questions also where
Yes.
wrong, so we can make understand clear why it is wrong.
Very good. So at every stage, technology was used. She was interacting well. There were small activities. She made you all do certain things, solve the problems. So all this nicely she has gone with the lesson. So very good, Aishwarya.